Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious French toast sticks, just like your favorite fast food restaurant. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 8 slices of thick-cut bread, 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring a perfect breakfast treat every time. Now let's prepare our flavorful batter. In a shallow dish, whisk together the 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and a pinch of salt until well combined. For an extra touch, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Next, take your thick-cut bread and slice each piece lengthwise into 3 or 4 uniform sticks. This shape is perfect for dipping and cooking evenly. With your batter and bread ready, it's time to cook. Heat a non-stick pan or griddle over medium heat, adding a small amount of butter or oil. Dip each bread stick completely into the batter, ensuring it's fully coated. Place the coated sticks onto the hot pan, cooking them for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color and are cooked through. Your homemade French toast sticks are now ready to enjoy. Serve them warm with a drizzle of maple syrup, a dusting of powdered sugar, or your favorite fruit dipping sauce. For a crispier texture, you can lightly toast them in a toaster oven after cooking. These sticks also freeze wonderfully. Simply reheat them in a toaster or oven for a quick and delicious breakfast any day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.